Let's look at a new method that is very productive in data analysis and visualization called filtering. Filtering is simply the process of extracting the data as per the business logic from a particular data frame. Let's start. Read the country's happiness report from your local drive into a variable called df. Let's run the head function to look at the data. Now let's look at unique values of regional indicator. Let's apply regional indicator filter to the data frame with condition Western Europe. Here you will see Boolean column next to index column. The true entries indicate that filter condition that is Western Europe is true for these rows, whereas false entries indicate otherwise. If we wish to see that complete dataset with filter condition, we need to make a little modification to the filter condition. Enclose the filter condition within data frame variable df using square brackets. Perfect. Now let's do another example of filtering on our dataset using numerical values. Let's look at the unique values of social support column. Let's filter the data set with social support greater than 0.8. We can reduce the filter output columns by appending column labels to filter condition. Here let's put regional indicator. And to see the frequency count of regional indicator, let's use function value counts. Perfect. Here you see Western Europe at the top with 21 entries after filter condition, which is quite logical since Europe by far has the one of the best social support, healthcare, etc. Now let's find out social support between 0.4 and 0.8. We add one more filter to our original equation and use an operator. Now we see Sub-Sahara region at the top. This filter condition targets regions with average social support. We can also simplify the multi-condition filter using between function. Let's do the multi-condition filter again, but this time using between method. And we are done. See you in the next lecture.